YouTube, I'm going to show you how to get And You Will Know Us for 13 Gs. What you want to do is go to any difficulty, go to st.crooks cemetery. You can skip that. Then keep going over. You can get this after you beat the game. That's what I did, because I was starting the game on hardest difficulty. Just keep going over. Forget the guitar. Just keep going over. When you get up here, just keep killing these guys, and then what you want to do is when all the second time they appear, you want to kill them with the RTY attack. So like here, you want to get some enemies in a pile. Right here, like that. That might work, or if not, get some other people over there, then do it again. Like that. And of course you'll get it from that, of course. And next achievement I will show you how to get is called Cemetery Man.